How you doing? My name is Ezra Socias, also known as Mr. Credit Guru with First Priority Credit Solutions. Just want to do a quick video going over some frequently asked questions, okay? One of the main questions that come across my office is why us? Why First Priority versus another credit repair company? Well, one of the reasons is that we're FICO certified, okay? Which is I personally believe is a big deal because most credit repair companies, I would say close to 90% of them, aren't certified in that area. So they're fixing your credit, but they're not a specialist in that particular craft, okay? So I took time to do my homework and study about 12 years of research on credit, and I've shared that with my staff. So everybody that you'll deal with in my organization is going to be well versed and really understand exactly how credit works, okay? I would say another thing it would be our approach to credit repair itself, okay? We address items differently than probably about another 90% of credit repair companies as well. We actually address all of your negative items at the same time. So when we're investigating your items, if you have 20 items, 10 items, we'll address all those items the same month, okay? To try to get the results done a little bit faster for you. Typical credit repair companies are going to do something different. They're going to charge you a monthly rate, and they're going to dispute 1 or 2 items monthly for you. Maybe 5, depends on how many items you have. But the goal for them more so is to dispute on a monthly basis. So that's why you might find yourself with a credit repair company, and a year and a half later or 2 years later, you're still disputing items. We don't operate that way, okay? Which is a huge deal. Which brings us to the next section is who you work with. Mainly, we work with mortgage companies and real estate agents, and they see the value in the way that we address items because they would prefer to help you buy a house this year within a few months versus trying to help you 2 years down the line. So we work mainly with realtors and mortgage companies, and that's where we get a bulk of our customers from, okay? Now, the next question is, how long does it take? Well, that varies. Your average customer is going to see results in 30 days, okay? The goal of our program is to be a 90-day program, but again, time frame really varies because everybody's credit is different. But our goal with every customer is to be done with their process in 90 days, no more than 6 months. 6 months would be the max that we would actually work with a customer under our program because we do have this 6-month money back guarantee, okay? The last question is how much? Everybody wants to know how much our services cost, okay? Now, to answer that question, you're going to have to call our office and get some understanding on our price structure. I don't want our customers to judge us off of price, but rather off of our service. But what I can tell you is that typically, on average, we charge much less than half of what you would pay a typical company to charge. Okay, a lot of these companies, while you're staying with them for a few years, you're spending, $2,500, $3,000 easy. We don't charge anywhere near that. Okay, we believe that we want to give you a good service. We want to kind of help you get in a position so that you can qualify for a home. That's our goal. Reason why we don't have to charge you so much is because our affiliates, our mortgage companies, send us enough people so that we don't have to try to charge you so much money up front. It's just really not necessary. That's not the focus or the mission of our company. It's really to help people and change lives, okay? But that's basically those questions. But if you have another question for us, feel free to give us a call, 1-888-315-3635. I'll be more than happy to address any concerns for you, okay? Thank you so much and have a blessed day.